It's my new friend. He's got a cool heart-shaped eye. His first helmet for something. Yeah, you're a hungry boy. Alright, so I just got his tank all set up. This is just temporaries until I get my birthday certificates. He's got some caves to go in when he'll get bigger, and he'll probably get 5 to 10 inches. So he's got lots of room. Hey buddy. Look at all your room for activities. We'll let him settle in and we'll see what he does. Well, I'm pretty sure he loves it. And he's got a couple caves there. Hey, buddy. You love your new house? As he matures, he's going to lose the rest of the black. I guess when they're born, they're like dark green, gray color, and they turn this bright orange color. Well, I'm not going to bother him too much. I'm going to let him get used to his new home. He seems to like it big time. Checking everything out. And they like sand in the bottom because they make they hollow out and make nests. So maybe we'll have to get him as a girlfriend. But I'm not quite sure on names yet, so maybe you guys can help me out. If you can saw it, he's got a heart pupil. It's a deformity he's got, but his pupil looks like a heart. And that's why I love him terrible. So no ridiculous names. They gotta be like a real name. And it's a boy. So let's see what you got. He's already been through every friggin' cave and crevice. Yeah. Thank you, Charlie. Well, he was born on Harvey's tank until I got that one running, and Harvey was in the big tank for the time being because he's used to 100% water changes and all that with all, of course, all the stuff that goes in it. But now he decided he was going to rearrange all the plants and stuff in Harvey's tank, so I'm going to take it all apart and get him looking all spiffy too. Might make a mini version of this. I'm gonna get lots of enjoyment out of him. Hey, buddy. I can't wait till he gets his personality coming out more. He was really interactive at the store. So it won't take too long, I don't think. He goes over and kicks the crap out of the air hose tube. See if he goes and does it. I think he wants it out of the bubble stream. See his hard eye? Alright, so Harvey is all back in his manner now, and it's all redone. Used a little bit of the sand, kind of make it same, a little bit. Just fed him some mosquito larvae, so he's got a full belly now. Hopefully I'll go into his nest. I put a pot up there, so hopefully he'll start building a bubble nest in there. We'll have to sant. Playing peek. Are you peeking? Are you peeking? Here's a little look at Harvey's tank with the sunlight coming through onto it. Seems to like it so far. Gracie, are you photobombing me? Are you coming with me? We're going out to the pond. We're going outside in the yard. You want to come with me? Bobby, you want to come with Mom? Let's do this. Come here. Just different. So I thought I'd just do a little quick update on my pond. Coming along really nicely. My burgundy fibergrass is growing in nicely. It's getting a big one. And the corkscrew grass and the different palm plants. I'm really excited how it's turned out this year. I dug it all out and I made videos. They're just on my other camera and I'm still trying to figure out the editing on the laptop there. So it will come one day maybe, but here we are. I've got some little snails in there. There's a frog that lives there. He comes out at night and hangs out. All the birds seem to really like this one too because they can just like walk on the big rock there. And my hanging plant's not enjoying life. I don't know. Tried it in different spots and it just quit. Some growing things. My peas are just about done this round. And my vine plant growing pretty good. But yeah, I'm pretty excited how it's all turned out so far. Little seating area. Yeah, getting there. Let's see if the fishes will come out. It's pretty nice being able to sit back here. Pretty grateful for this opportunities to be able to do this and have this luxury. And really healing thing to be able to come out here and putt around in my garden and watch the fish and just be able to think about, you know, nothing really. Just let my brain simmer down for half a second and just enjoy what's actually in front of me. So yeah, I don't know if we can sant any of the little snails. Here's one. I got some different oxygenating, you know the word I'm trying to say, I can't, too stupid. But yeah, my corals that Rob has made. I stole that when we went and visited him when he puked all over himself. Terrible. He gave me that, and my big plant from last year. It's grown really big. Transplanted it. But yeah, you know, it's no different than anybody else's backyard, but it's my little sanctuary, and I love it. Got a nice, pretty backyard. Oh, I can hear the cicada. Oh, the frig. Nice, peaceful backyard, sanctuary, and then we got a boys' sanctuary over here. I must say, I do love this truck. I can't wait to do some more driving around in it, and he's pretty excited about it, so that makes me happy. Yeah. Dirty old gremlins. Let's see if we can trick the goldfishers to come out. This is what I feed them. Oh, I must have it on Mega Blast here. Yep. Bang my parrot. So this is what I feed them. I just feed them a little bit. I feed them about 3 times a day and just a little bit each time. Yeah. They like that kind of big time. Let's see. Set it up. Come get how much you're counting. Come on. Come on. The water's nice and clear. Got snails and different little bugners thrown in there. More oxygen. Just can't. Oxygenation? No, that's not right either. Somebody tell me. I can't. And I'll leave in the comments. Why don't you smoke another one? Some people can't say words all the time, and because I sound like Sylvester a little bit, it's hard for me to say words sometimes. That's okay. Everybody's doing good. Even Belky Plucostomus, he's built himself a little cave in there. He's dug out the sand. Oh, there we go, brighten it up a little bit. There's Belky. He's gotten a little bit bigger.